When the taxpayers disagree with the assessment orders, Commissioners of Income Tax Appeals is the first independent forum to challenge those decisions. They will ensure fairness, justice and transparency in tax administration. I am talking about Commissioners of Income Tax Appeals, those who are appointed by the central government as per the provisions of the Income Tax Act 1961. They function as quasi-judicial body. They work under the administrative wing of the Central Board of Direct Taxes, but their decisions are independent. Now, what all they can do? They can look into when the taxpayer is giving an appeal to the income tax department. They will check if it's the order passed by assessing officer or joint commissioner or any other officer. So first thing for verification, he will see both sides, evidence from both sides, from the income tax department and from the taxpayer, by checking evidence, documents, calling for information. And he will give an idea, or he will give a chance for both the people to present their views. Both the people to present their views, meaning they will, if sometimes after reviewing the case, assessing officer the order, he will reduce the liability, or he will cancel that as legally not binding, or sometimes he will enhance the liability. But remember that enhancing the liability is only after hearing both sides. Both parties will get an opportunity of being heard. And finally, he will come with the speaking orders. This is called the speaking order. Speaking order will contain that what is the facts of the case, what is the documentary evidence, the opinion of both the parties or their version explained by both the parties. And based on that, what is the final opinion? Whether it is to reduce the tax liability, enhance the tax liability, or to declare the assessment as legally not binding. Now, if I'll give you an example, if Miss Priya has given declared a taxable income of 18 lakhs, but she has claimed 4 lakhs as business expenses, which the assessing officer has not agreed. So he has disallowed that. She went for appeal. So as Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals can take a decision whether this 4 lakhs, he will examine facts of the case, Priya's version and the tax or assessing officer's version. On that basis, he will take a decision. What is whether the genuinity of the expenses claimed, whether he can allow that, whether he can disallow that. Based on that, he will take a decision. On that basis, he will take a speaking order with the facts of the case. This is the role of Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals, and they are the first hand for giving fairness in tax administration to the taxpayers.